Can we set outgoing call ringtone in Android? In today's video, we're going to find out. So if you're trying to set out a outgoing call on Android, first you have to open up your phone styler. And once you open it up, you'll find the three dots at the top right corner, or depending on your device, it might be a bit different. Simply tap on that and then open up your dialer settings. And once you have done that, on your call settings, you can scroll down and here you'll be able to find option like call alerts and ringtone. Just tap on it. So if you are trying to change a outgoing call ringtone, then it will only be possible on the receiving end because it depends on the caller tone that the receiver has put in or their carrier has put in. So you do not have anything to do with the receiving end's caller tune or the ringtone that you get when you call someone. But what you can do is you could change your ringtone by tapping on it. So simply tap on ringtone. And then from here, you will be able to change your incoming ringtone. But there is no way to customize your outgoing call ringtone in Android because it depends on the carrier of the receivers. So that is all that you can do from your end, that is change your incoming ringtone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.